The Pontiac 400 is one of the most iconic Pontiac engines ever made. Depending on what year you may be fortunate enough or unfortunate enough to get, you can either get a 120 horsepower model or as high as a 360 horsepower model, maybe even further if you got really lucky. The big key here is going to be to use heads that flow and heads that have compression. We use number 16 heads here. You can use 6X heads that have been milled down to 85cc instead with a 5cc piston. Here we used 15cc dishes with number 16 heads because that's just what we had available number-wise. We used a 1967 Pontiac dual plane intake manifold and a basic quadrajet for our carburetor. We upgraded to a very cheap basic set of 1 3/4, 34-inch primaries and a 10-inch collector. And I would run a 24 to 30 inch collector extension on that as well, just to kind of make sure everything's nice and clean at the bottom end. And then use the infamous 041 Ram Air 4 cam, and that gets us to our 400 horsepower. But the big key here isn't just the 400 horsepower, it is the 457 foot-pounds of torque at 4,000 RPM to get these big cars out of the hole. So in a car like a Bonneville or a Tempest, this thing would move. Looking at the raw numbers, we could see where we actually want to shift this engine. So this engine is actually probably more like a 5,800 RPM shift point engine, and it would be extremely happy. And you'd probably beat out your buddies that are only shifting at 5,200 RPM, besides the extra horsepower you have over them anyway. As much as I'd call this a comparison chart, you really cannot call this a comparison chart. Look at the original Pontiac 400 and how nice it was below 2,500 RPM. But at that 2,800 RPM, it takes a big jump. Now, mind you, this cam would be excellent with like a 3,100 RPM, 3,200 RPM stall cam, maybe 2,800 RPM if you really wanted to drive on the street a little more. Here we're going for just the cheapest thing possible since we really only need exhaust and basic add-ons if you already have a setup like this. It can be a fairly expensive proposition to source this stuff unless you go 6X4 heads, and 6X4 heads are what's going to save you your money here. If you're lucky enough to already have a Ram Air 3 engine though, or well, something even with just a basic set of heads, the 041 cam is an excellent step-up option and gets you there for not a lot of money. While we're talking Pontiac cams, go and check out this video right here. This has got a whole bunch of Pontiac 400 cams if you're interested in that. Otherwise, next week is a 500 horsepower Pontiac 326 setup, so be sure to subscribe for that.